Manyatike manoiri Tom Odege koro Kwayo East African Community EAC amondo bedgi paro mar riwo kanyakla sekta mar Arita kod manoiri mar omenda e nam Lolwe amondo tieka sanda makinde ka kinde ma Jolupo ma Kenya kaloe. Akane oloso e kinde mane olimo kar chung od bura mare, ajaod bura noero owacho ni EAC onego los chike mabiro miyo Jolupo thuolo marakalo boundaries maggi e nam akaponi nitiere noka mar recha. Omedo ni kaka jotelo gionge koda nyalo mar loso boundaries e nam, agino mosebedo ka kelo gwandruoka e kinda piny Kenya akod pinje malibamba. Ajumbe ariyo mokadho Jolupo auchiel magina Kenya mawuok e dhowath ma Kibro e Nyatike anotere nyim doho e piny noero mar Tanzania atok bedo e piny noero kuom odiochienge 60 akamano makgi e kitudogi gi ketho mar dhi lupo e pigego eko mag piny Tanzania. Jolupo goeko nodonjnegi kod ketho mar mecho gi thuon kata obedo ni ne gidhi mana lupo e nam. Jolupo goeko ma piny Kenya osebedo kasandore miwuoro e lwet apisas mochung'ne weche goeko mag Arita mawuok e piny libamba ma Uganda kachiel kod Tanzania ka koro moko isando nyaka wit ngimagi kata nyaka ng'iel orengo.
Wametupeleka huko tena, wameturudisha huko mahakamani. Ilikuwa tarehe 5 mwezi wa 7 kufika huko mahakamani. Sasa kesi yenye tulikamatwa nayo hawakutupea, waliandika kesi ya kuiba samaki, kufahamia na silaha. Waliandika sisi tuliingia na panga tukafahamia wenzao wa Tanzania tukawanyang'anya samaki, na sisi hicho kitendo hatukufanya. Sisi walitupeleka huko na hiyo kesi wakatuwekea.
Hao wananipiga watu. Sinajua ile sheria Tanzania ya Kenya imebadilika. Sije tofauti. Tanzania unajua Kenya ukisikwa na polisi unachukua tu dakika 24 masaa 24 hours ndio unapeleka tu kotini, na kule unachukua hata wiki hata mwezi moja kabla hujakaa tu kwenye kituo.
These people must look for a face beyond our borders. So when you go beyond our borders and you're arrested there, we as the leaders, there is nothing we can do but just to see how best you can be assisted to come back to our country. And again, those who are going into the lake and going beyond the borders, in a number of cases they don't come back with their catch because they'll be arrested and the catch will be the first thing to be taken. I want to urge the government to negotiate with our neighbors so that we are allowed to fish freely, and we let this government of Tanzania and Uganda have their toll in the lake, whereby our people can pay the taxes there, and we allow them to land with the fish here freely without any tax, because these fish, they look for it beyond our waters. But if we don't have a way where we are going to harmonize security and the revenue in the lake, we are still going to see a number of problems, because our people cannot be limited to water, which we have currently with the less fish catch. They have to look for where they can get it, because this is how they can afford to live. So those are challenges which we have to learn to live with until such a time when the three governments will sit down and agree on how we can share the results from the lake.